Hello, everyone. This video will explain how to use the auto projection feature with an Android phone. First, enter the recorder's menu interface, click on Settings 2, and find the device information option. Check the names of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to know the signal name emitted by the recorder, making it easy for us to connect. Audio channel settings are also on the menu page. This function is to set the output channel of the sound after projection. There are two options. One is local playback, where the sound is played from the recorder. The other is Bluetooth headset playback, where the sound will be played through the Bluetooth device connected to the phone. Now start the screencasting operation. First, go to the phone settings, select Bluetooth, and connect to the recorder's Bluetooth signal. Once connected successfully, the Bluetooth icon in the recorder's status bar will turn green. A screen mirroring connection prompt will appear on the phone. Select to connect, and you can enter the auto screen mirroring interface. On the screen mirroring interface, you can operate using touch functions. For example, you can use features like map navigation, play music, and make phone calls. On the main screen, there is an exit icon. Clicking it will take you back to the recording interface. On the recording interface, clicking the screen mirroring icon will return you to the screen mirroring interface. Auto reconnection feature. After the recorder restarts, it will automatically reconnect to the auto mirroring interface in about 15 seconds. If you do not want the recorder to automatically reconnect, you need to clear the recorder's Bluetooth signal on your phone and also clear the recorder's Wi-Fi signal. Only when the Bluetooth signal and Wi-Fi signal are cleared at the same time, the recorder will not automatically reconnect.